Hi everybody, this is A. Welcome to my video. This video is an update for downloading the videos from YouTube. I don't know, as you know or you don't know, the YouTube, it's not the YouTube links that PyTubeFix, a library for YouTube that you can download the videos from the YouTube. Some of the resolutions, the most important resolutions, for example, 720 or 1080, these are not have the voice or the audio inside the video, and they are separated together. And for this solution, I put an update. This is the new update video, and let's check it out. Okay, I choose this video because of no copyright free, and it's free to download. So let's do this. Okay, first of all, I go to colab.research.google.com and connect, delete all the code parts. So let's add some code parts and waiting to this notebook getting connect. What's the matter? Okay, so first of all, we need to install the YouTube token generator. It's an JavaScript library that we need to create the token. So let's install it. And after that, it's okay, done. And after that, we need to install the PyTubeFix, the Python library, to download and getting all of the resolutions and the audios, videos, links. Okay. And because all of the videos and the high resolution videos and the audios, they're separated together, we need to merge them together. And to do this, we need to install this tool, FFmpeg. Yeah, I need some code parts, more code parts. Okay. So first, now we are getting started to get the YouTube token generator. So we need the token first. Run this and waiting. Maybe it's getting some seconds. I don't know, at least 15 seconds. I think it's enough to wait. If it's not generate the token, we can stop it and then play it. Okay, we have the tokens. We have the visitor data and the token. Now I'm going to put this code part here. This is a Python code. Let me just delete this line. Okay. In this code part, I'll put the URL of this video inside these double quotations and run this. Here, we need to enter the visitor data. Be careful between these two double quotations. All of the characters, we need to copy this and paste this here and press enter. And after that, we need to enter the token. The token is here between the double quotations here. Copy it and paste it and press enter. Okay, This token have the time and the expiration, but I don't know about the time of the expiration. But it doesn't matter. In this code, in this part, 0, 1, 2, 3 until 16. These are the resolutions to here, and from 13 to 16, these are the audios. You know, these are the resolutions of the video. For example, I want to download the 720p from, this is the number one, and the best audio format, and I don't know ABR, what does it mean, with this codec here, number 16. To do the downloads, I use this code. The number one. Okay, I use this code and put the number one here to download the number one as a 720p resolution, and copy this again here and put the number 16 here to download the audio, and wait. Okay, it's done. So from here, the files, here you can see both the M4A, the audio file, and the MP4, the video file of the video links. So these are separated together. If you download them, you just have the video, just the video, and the audio. So we need to merge them together. So with the tools FFmpeg that we installed before, here we can use this code parts. This is not the code, it's the Linux command or the tool command that we can merge them together. So we need to use the name of the files to put them to put these here. First of all, delete these things here and type this memes and press or control space. Okay, with control space we get this. That's it. And be careful on the extension of the files. We need to change this. This is the video file. I have to put the MP4 and remove this sound file and type memes, control space to open this, and this, and this is the extension of the audio file. The output file, you can type everything you want. I say output dot mp4, the extension of the output file, and press play. Waiting to that the FFmpeg merge them together. Oh, it's double. Oh, be careful. I said this. Be careful on the names. Okay, these are the two dots here. I have to put one dot here and another dot here and press it again. Okay, waiting to until this get done. Oh, it's done. Okay, after that you can refresh the files here if it's not here. If the file you can see the file, the output file is here. The size of this file is 8.87 megabytes, and we can download this. Waiting until this downloads. Okay, let's redirect this to here. I have it. Where is this? Oh, here.
Stop it. Get some help.
That's enough. Okay, these are the pipelines that I use every day to download the videos or everything else that I want to download from the YouTube in highest resolution. You know, these are the resolutions and the video files, audio files that you can select each of them that you want, putting the index here. After that, download, and then you can merge them with this code part here. Don't worry about this notebook, this codes. I put this on the description. The link of the GitHub, mine GitHub, in the description, and this and this notebook is in my GitHub, and you can use it to download for yourself. And thank you for your watching, and have a great time.